What's up, YouTube fam? You want to see how I made these cute earrings? Stay tuned. Alright, so here I'm just showing you guys some of the earrings that I made. I did pick this pattern and put it on the earrings myself. I'm showing you the blanks that I made, circle and teardrop. Those are patterns that I put on, we call them shapes, in my Cricut. You can pretty much make a pattern out of anything. Here I'm showing you how there's a film on these earrings, guys. When you do MDF, whether you cut it yourself with your glow forge or you buy them from a vendor or seller, they come with a thin plastic film on them. So you have to remove that film before you sublimate on them. These earrings are really light. These are small teardrops and small circles. Circles measure a little over 1 inch centimeters, and then the teardrops are about 1 inch from top to bottom. My pattern has finished cutting, so I'm just going to take my mat and roll it. And I know this is a purple mat. It is the super sticky one, the strong grip, but I've been using it so much it's not stronger anymore, really. But I'm just going to use it until it kind of is not useful anymore. And then these are my circle patterns. One says boo and the other one says hocus pocus. I'm going to mention right now that I had trouble with the word boo. Obviously, I can't spell. Maybe I forgot to reverse the image. I don't know, but I just couldn't get that one right. So I'm not sure what I'm doing now, but I think I might be looking for more blanks. So my patterns are almost done cutting, and I'm taking it out, of course, taking it out of the Cricut, just like I said, rolling them off my mat because it's easier. And I try not to go too far because that mat will slip and then flip everything on the floor. Then you'll be looking for your images, or yeah, your images on the floor. So, got everything off now. Now I'm making sure I have 4 each. For one pair of earrings, you need 4 copies of each image. And I'm just stacking them together. Now I'm putting them to on the blank with my heat tape, which I got from Amazon. If anybody's wondering, you get 2 in a pack for about $6. Also got that tape dispenser from Amazon. The blanks came from, I think, an Etsy shop. And I'm just taping them on there. I do a generous amount of tape. Some people might only do 1 or 2 pieces, but if you don't have them taped down well and you put them in your heat press, then you may get some fading or ghosting. So I do tape them up pretty well. Here I realized I had 2 of the same that I didn't want, so I changed that out. And I just do one side at a time. Some people put images on both sides and then press one side and flip them over. Now we're at my heat press, and I am so sorry about this video, but I did not want to move everything around. Here I'm trying to show you that I am putting these on the mat with the image face up, and it's on copier paper. Then I put another piece of copy paper on top of that. I'm letting it go for 60 seconds at 385, and to be honest, I actually came back and did it for another 30. Here I'm taking it off the paper, the copy paper. They are still warm. I like to let them cool off all the way if I can, but they were cool enough, obviously. So, and it's the boo was upside down, in case you didn't notice that. There's the hocus pocus, another hocus pocus. They came out really cute. This is the Halloween pattern that I put on here, but it doesn't have any words. Maybe the next set I'll do some words or something. So right now I'm just taking all the tape off of them and let them finish cooling off. And then I'm going to go back and put the images on the other side and press them again. So here I am showing you the boo and how I messed it up. It's so disappointing because they were so cute. There's the hocus pocus, and then the pattern, teardrop pattern, and then the circle pattern. And don't worry, I will have pictures posted at the end of this video. Now I'm just opening up the clasp on the bottom of my hooks. These are stainless steel hooks and clasp that I got from Amazon. So, yeah, stainless steel, sterling silver, hypoallergenic is what I'm trying to say. Jeez, I can't even get it out. So I'm just opening them all up because I kind of just like to do everything, you know, open everything up and then put everything in and, you know, kind of like a little process that I have going on. I hope everybody's having a good day today. I had a great day. I made earrings. So here's the earrings, y'all. Um, those I didn't show how to make, but I did put that pattern on there myself. Um, and here's the pictures. I hope you enjoy.